My name is Mlada and the reason why I came to this Ladies Can Invest workshop is to see and hear what other ladies in Berlin have to say and the questions that they might ask. I found this meetup excellent, actually. I met a lot of great women that asked many good questions. I feel more confident after this meetup that I will make the right choice in choosing which ETF I should go with.
Do you invest in some products currently, or you would like to?
I am. However, I will look into the German market a bit closer, and thanks to this workshop.
Are you currently an FinMarie customer? Are you currently a FinMarie customer, client?
I'm not. This presentation was really an eye-opening that how easy it is to use, and it's accessible basically for every age, and explanations on how to use it and how to invest it long and short term was really good explained.
When did you start investing?
I bought my first share when I was 18 years old.
Wow, super young.
Yes. It was actually an employer that had an employee share program, and that's what basically got me into the investment mode.